If you're in any of these life stages, you need life insurance. Hey guys, this is Gwen Lazarito, and today I'm going to talk about the stages in your life where you are likely to need life insurance. So why am I talking about life insurance again? Well, Filipinos really find this topic hard to talk about, and I always feel like we should. So right now, we are going to talk about it again. If you ever wondered why I said again, it's because I think I've created like a video or two about life insurance, why we need it, why we don't need it, what's it about, and I'll link those videos down in the description below. But right now, let's get started. So let me just get this out there that although I am a licensed financial advisor, the points that I'm going to share today is general advice. Please consult your licensed financial advisor to get financial advice that's based especially for your personal circumstance. Life stage 1, debt. If you have any kind of debt, you need to have life insurance as your fallback. You wouldn't want those you've left behind to shoulder the burden of paying off your own debt. I'd recommend that when deciding the coverage amount for your policy, you should also calculate and include your total debt amounts to ensure that whoever is in charge of your finances in the event of your untimely demise, they will have enough to pay off your outstanding balances in full. Life stage 2, family support. If you're financially supporting your parents or any underage siblings, maybe a cousin or two, then a life insurance policy ensures that they're left with some cushion of financial support to help them with their finances if you can no longer provide for them. Now, a good coverage amount would be the sum of a year's worth of expenses, or at least your contribution to your family's expenses, and then multiply that by 5. Yes, 5. That way you'll have they at least will have 5 years to try to find avenues where they can help fill the gap that you've left behind, at least financially. Life stage 3, marriage. If you're planning to get married or are already newlyweds, you'll probably start acquiring assets together with your spouse. You need life insurance because your spouse will rely on your income or your shared income to maintain that life that you both share. Stage 4, that would be parenthood. If you're about to have a baby, or if you're even planning to conceive one in the next couple of months or so, it's a good idea to start getting life insurance as early as now. This will give you the peace of mind that whatever happens, you know you financially prepared your child's future. So there you have it, you guys. Those are just some of the life stages in everyone's life that would be a good idea to get life insurance. And I hope this video has helped you in any way. If you have any more suggestions, tips for fellow viewers, please share it in the comment box below. I'll be more than happy to share it in the next video if there's a lot. If you have any other requests for me on any topics that you'd like me to cover, then also, just shoot me a comment or send me a message. Either way, I'd like to give you with this message before I leave that your best life starts when you decide. Bye!